Sure. So right now your team is able to become much more productive after the MBA program and than before joining one. So you would like to say more on that? Your team's productivity, has it changed a bit?
Yes, it definitely has changed a lot. So we are using your task management tool extensively for our team, and
Okay.
so everything, even if we say something to them verbally, because they are sitting just next to my office only, but even if we say something, we make sure that it is put in their task so that it can be tracked. Number one, and secondly, it can help in monitoring their efficiency also. So one person is doing say 10 tasks a day, another one is doing 20 tasks, so we may be able to balance that over a period of time. So it should not happen that one person is overburdened and the other is literally free. And then whatever client query comes through WhatsApp or something, we just copy paste that message into task and delegate it to the respective person. So everything is managed from phone.
Sure. So right now you're just living a freedom lifestyle where just you're
Yeah,
focused on
comparatively, yes.
your growth oriented task, and your managerial, your time wasting task has been reduced now.
Yes.
And how do you feel after, after just your shoulders, the weight that you had on your shoulders, becoming a call center guy, giving the work to your team manually? How do you
Yeah.
feel now after all this, after implementing and
No,
updating?
actually, somebody told me once he was into my office. He said that the work you're doing is not of a CA's work. Actually, you're doing an accountant's or a clerk's job. Actually, just writing everything on paper and this and that. So you should be focused doing a CA's job. So that is which inspired me a lot. That okay, this person is right actually. So now I can focus, because now since I have better quality time, so I can focus on my jobs which require my professional expertise rather than doing the routine thing. So I personally feel very professionally satisfied, you can say.